Today I'm going to show you how to replace a Honda CRV cabin filter. It's very easy. Go to the dashboard, open the glove box, hold, and there will be a small clip over here. Move it down, which I already did. This is the one. Move it down, it's stuck here. All you have to do, press it both sides, and this will release these connectors on the side, and it will go all the way down. These are two clips. Press it in, cover came out. Take the air filter, cabin air filter, slide it. Wow, have a lot of debris. Throw it out. Open the box, buy it from eBay, Amazon, or Walmart. No need to put that expensive, this expensive allergy blocker, that blocker. No, I found this way it doesn't go, so let me try this way. So this filter, I think, a little bit bigger. So here you go. I'm trying different way. This filter has to be catch between this space. So here you go. All set. And this is gonna be self adjusted. Come to this spot. Grab it out, go inside, push it up. Here you go. This mechanism is to give it slowly. Right? All done. That's it. This is how you're gonna replace the Honda CRV or most of the vehicles cabin air filter. Thank you.